Hi there, I'm Christy with WTI, and I want to share with you something that has made our bedroom feel more luxurious. Aren't these so cool? I have never had automated blinds before, but these from TIPIACE are so convenient, and I think that the zebra style is beautiful. I love the way the cloth overlaps itself. It's almost mesmerizing to watch. And this design allows me to let in sunlight while also having a measure of privacy because you have a remote that's got a pause button. So you can pause the blind at any point. So you're able to have the fabric lined up to where there are just strips of sunlight coming in, or you can pause it to where it's fully closed and you have privacy. The remote also has buttons on the left that allow you to lower the shade to different heights. The top button lowers it to 25%, the middle is 50%, and the bottom is 75%. These blinds are completely customizable to fit your space. All I did was provide my measurements and they cut it perfectly. Installation is easy. You screw in the brackets, all the materials are provided for you, and then the valance just snaps right in. Now the cord is on the right side of the blind for us, and you have to plug it into the wall. The cord is a little short, so if you don't have a power source that is close, you might need to provide an extension cord of some sort. These are not blackout curtains. Even when closed, you still have some sunlight. Personally, I prefer this because sunlight helps me wake up in the morning. I need all the help I can get. But with that being said, you can't see through them, so they provide plenty of privacy. These blinds have not just added style to our bedroom, but functionality, and honestly, we couldn't be happier. And that's our point of view.